It's the ability with the man them have to plan and execute war by each other. It's no wonder our crime is like a war, because the crime that's coming out of Jamaica, the crime statistic, it's like a straight war. Only in Iraq and them places you find the kind of murders and kind of thing going on.
We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continued bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main thing.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, me I talk about St. Catherine, cause since we dey on 100 man and the dirty white boy police, you know, say Termite and Tesha did have a war. So we have a go down in it. So now remember, Tesha is in prison and you have Termite on the ground, and the two man them a war, and people are dead like rice grain. What a sad thing going on in Jamaica. Now look at the screen in front of you. Two man get liquid. You understand? In a Spanish town. I one of them that grimy and bull. You understand? Dead on the spot. And them man they come from Termite. The Termite gang. You understand? Now it is alleged that the perpetrator them get up on foot, but the perpetrator them, they came from Tesha fraction of the gang. So listen, people are dead like whoa in a Spanish town. Now Termite, you know, is from the clansman, and Tesha is from the clansman. So the two faction them, you know, clansman are war against clansman. That is what's going on in a St. Catherine, you know. What is wrong with Jamaica? This war, so is a crazy war, because you have Termite them, clansman, Tesha clansman. But it seems like Tesha them lose a grip upon the extortion thing that's going on in Spanish Town. Meaning that a Termite them is collecting extortion money. And what Tesha is trying to do is trying to extort Termite them, and that caused a bloody war. So the Tesha faction launched mad attacks on Termite, and Termite launched mad attack upon Tesha them crew. Now what is crazy about this thing here, and it's all over Jamaica, you know, it's the ability with the man them have to plan and execute war by each other. It's no wonder our crime is is like a war, because the crime that's coming out of Jamaica, the crime statistic, it's like a straight war. Only in Iraq and them places you find the kind of murders and kind of thing going on. But it's sad to say that the criminal them or the gangster them very tactical, and them deal with mad intelligence, believe it or not. So that's why they are able to launch attacks on each other like that. Very interesting phenomena with the gangs them in Jamaica. Them work better than the police, believe it or not. So let's ask the $1 million question. And I don't know who can give me the answer. Why is there so much killing in Jamaica? Anybody have the answer for that? Why is Jamaica so corrupt? Why you have politicians and kill off them baby mother and this and that? Why you have women that disappear on such a large scale? Kids that get killed, quadruple murder. Gangster in a prison I send out it and I fight war. Politician I get rich. I mean, the list goes on and on. A lot of people when me talk to, them say, boy, Jamaica nice and this and that. But a lot of people say it's not. The rich boy them, like Stuart, Matalang, I have a bag of them down in Jamaica right now. Them can live at Jamaica till the day them dead. But the typical black people them in Jamaica, them a get murdered like dog. I don't know when are we gonna change that system. When the black Jamaicans them are gonna stand up and take back them country. That's all me I say for now one here. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. Take back on the bomber clad Countryman.